Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Turn off water and clear the tub area before you begin. Gather tools now so you do not interrupt work later. You will need a Phillips or flat screwdriver, adjustable pliers, an Allen key set, a flashlight, a rag, and a small bucket. Inspect the stopper closely to identify the type. Look for a knob, a small set screw, a visible pivot rod, or a threaded center post. Measure the stopper width if needed, and note any decorative caps or finishes to protect. For a lift and turn stopper, flip the stopper up and find the small screw under the knob. Use the appropriate screwdriver or Allen key to remove that screw, then lift off the knob and unscrew the post by hand. For a pop-up assembly, inspect the overflow access plate and remove it with a screwdriver. Reach inside and unhook the pivot rod clip, then pull the pivot rod and the stopper lifts out. For a threaded bathtub stopper, protect the finish with a rag and turn it counterclockwise with pliers until it unscrews completely. Once the stopper is out, clear hair and debris from the drain using gloves and a flashlight. Scrape away old plumber's putty or residue and clean the flange with a rag and mild cleaner. Inspect rubber gaskets, the pivot nut, and threaded hardware and replace any parts that look worn or cracked. Reassemble in reverse order, applying a thin bead of plumber's putty if the flange requires sealing. Tighten screws and nuts snugly. Then run water to test the stopper and check carefully for leaks or misalignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.